Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber, and Turo host. Hey, welcome. Hey, look, it's going to be another quick video. If this is your first time with me, I appreciate you being here today. For all my subscribers, thank you so much. I'm really close to 10,000. I just want to say thank you, thank you. Actually, yesterday was my 1 year anniversary of my cardiac arrest, and so I made it. I'm very fortunate to be alive, and once again, thanks for all the well wishers and the prayers. I appreciate it. But look, anyway, this is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys this how to get all three scores and reports for free, and forever. For the first time, as long as they have this promotion, you can get them through Experian. And when I say scores, I mean FICO 8 scores, not Vantage scores. You guys know how I feel about those scores. They're banks don't use them. People say banks use 90% of the FICO scores. I say 100% because I haven't seen a lending institution that use Vantage scores only. So I'm rolling with FICO, but these are FICO 8. You have quite a few other scores, but this is a good start. But look, so once you get into your Experian account, you can sign up with Experian for free. Once you get into the account, hover up here, and you're going to go to credit reports like I'm here, okay? So typically, you might see this review. You could go up here, compare all. You'll kind of get back to this, okay? So I'm just going to, for the sake of the video, you're going to click compare all, then a review. So what you'll see, when you see all three zeros, this is the promotions that they have, like better manage and protect your credit with 3 credit bureau monitoring access, 3 FICO scores, identity ID. It's called the Experience Credit Work Premium for 7 days for $24.99. And actually, when they throw tax on, it's about $30. Okay, but the only time you're gonna do that is when you see the zeros. And I'll tell you another little credit hack. I never put my any kind of Visa or debit card in here. I generally, if you got an old gift card, that's what I use here. And a lot of times when I do my one-on-ones with my clients through this, I'll use one of those gift cards. I've been using for like the last 6, 7, 8 years because they have a very long expiration date. I think one's like 28 that I've been using. I've had that thing for 6, 7 years. So you don't have to use your real debit card. Use a gift card that hasn't expired, and it doesn't have to have any money on it either. Like the ones that I use have $0 to $1 on them. So once again, we're gonna save you money. Look, I mean, if you want this, which I don't know why you did. If you just need identity theft, I'll pull this up for you. This is a company called Xander. Very reasonable. You can get identity theft protection for like $6, $6.75. Okay, you can check those guys out, and there's some other ones. But the thing that's nice about this is I know some of my clients and just people on a daily basis have been paying for this for 1, 2, 3 years. Some people 4 years, and you don't have to pay for this. So I'm gonna show you this credit hack. So basically, what you do only when you see the zeros. If you see the $24.99 plus the whatever I think plus tax, but it's total $29.95, then don't do it. Only when you see the zeros. Okay. So we're gonna take advantage of the free 7-day trial. So we're gonna click secure order, right? So then we're gonna get our reports and scores. And I'm gonna tell you one thing don't do, because you'll forget. When your scores upload, so typically default to Equifax. Don't ask me why, but go here where your initials are and hover on my profile. Go to my profile. Okay. Then what you're going to do, you want to go to membership. And so here's what it's telling you is that you have the Experian Credit Works Premium. That's what you switch your account to, right? Well, not exactly. Go here. It's a little hyperlink. You want to switch your Credit Works Premium membership? Yes. Manage your membership. Click here. And once again, this is different looking than the other video I did for free scores, right? This is a totally different look. So this is what you switch to, but we're going to switch back to free. Downgrade my membership. So are you sure you want to downgrade? Absolutely. Reason for membership downgrade or reason for membership change. So you just put like, doesn't fit my needs. Doesn't matter what it technical issues. Not worth it, too expensive. So we're going to downgrade it. And I tell you to do this before you go look at your scores and reports, because if you don't, you will forget. Then all of a sudden, one or two things. Number one, if you used a gift card that has no money on it, you won't get charged. But if you use your debit or credit card, you'll see that $29.95 hit your account, and you'll be like, oh shoot, I need to switch my account back. So my thing is, before you look at the scores and reports, come up here to your profile and change your membership back to free. That's it, guys. Now, so check this out. So now I'll go to scores, reports and scores. Go to compare all. So we click today's date. Now we got all three reports. See that? And how you can tell, look at the date, 14th. Totally free. Got all the reports. You can do them individually. Transunion. Equifax. And then, of course, Experian. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Once again, look, I mean, when you do the math on it, it's like $30 a month. That's $360 that you can save a year. So, guys, use this credit hack. Don't pay for reports and scores. This is a no-brainer. Look, if you like the content today, smash the like button. Hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Like I always say, don't keep this to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And most of all, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Thanks. Peace.